A very good afternoon, children. Today, we are going to learn an important topic of grammar, that is period and comma. You might be surprised. What is the meaning of period? Period in America is full stop. Like in our grammar, we are using full stop at the end of the sentence. Similarly, we in America they call full stop as period. Okay, and comma is a pause. Now we are going to see what is the meaning of comma when we are going to slow down for a second. That means we are going to pause for a second, then we are using a comma. But when we stop there, like at the end of the sentence we stop, so we use a full stop. So as you can see in the picture, let's slow down for a second here. That means just for a little time. But if we are going to stop it, we better stop here right now. Then we are going to use full stop. So what is the symbol for period or full stop? It is a big dot. Okay. Now, where are we going to use a period? We are going to use a period when the sentence is over. Like if it is I saw and a lion is coming. Can you see there is a full stop? There is not no full stops here. But when we understand that the sentence is completed, then we use a full stop. I saw full stop or period. I a lion is coming full stop or period. But when we want to join these two sentences, we are joining with that I saw that a lion is coming. So we have joined or merged these two sentences and we have formed a single sentence. So one full stop will come. When we are separating both the sentences, then I saw is a single sentence and a lion is coming is a different sentence. So there will be two full stops at the end of each sentence. Have you heard of fanboys? Have you ever heard of fanboys? Fanboys is the acronym for the conjunctions used. How can you remember the conjunctions? For, at, no, but, or, yet, so. So F for, A for and, N for nor, B for but, or O for or, Y for yet, and S for so. So fanboys means the conjunction which you can use to join two sentences. Like in the previous sentence, if you remember, we have used a conjunction that. Okay, now let's go to a story where I was going to market. Full stop. I had no money, so I called my friend and he came after 2 p.m. Now, if we see sentences, I was going to market, full stop. I had no money. This is also a sentence. I called my friend. This is also a sentence. If you want to end it, I had no money, then you have to put a full stop. But what I did, I have added both the sentences, joined both the sentences by using a conjunction so, and I have written it in one sentence. So I have used only one full stop or one period at the end of the sentence. Okay, then he came at after 2 p.m. full stop or period. Now, there is another one way of putting the full stop. The second one is short command or short form of any word. When we write doctor, DOCTOR, but when we write it in the short form, we write DR full stop. Similarly, for Mr. MR full stop, Mrs. MR full MRS full stop. For a name like Rajiv Kumar Singh, we are using the abbreviation or short form R.K.Singh. Similarly for BBC, B.B.C. Now you should remember one more thing, that there should be no double full stop. That means when we say the short form at the end of the sentence, like I met a doctor, and you are writing doctor short form like dr dot, there should be only one full stop. There should not be the another full stop, like the sentence is over. Okay, I am watching BBC. B dot B dot C. C is the abbreviation, just it completed, so only one full stop. Similarly, I will come at 2 p.m. 2 dot P dot M dot, and the sentence is over. Now, while speaking, how are we going to use it? While speaking, we take a break or pause. Like, let me read it and you can understand. I was going to market yesterday. I saw two boys fighting. I thought that I should ask, why are you fighting? One boy said that we are fighting because we don't have any food. I said, you are fighting because you don't have any food. Okay, I will give you food, but promise me that you will not fight again. The boy replied, okay, sir. But one thing I would like to ask you, why are you giving us money and food? I said that I am a human and I am a person who would like to help persons, to every person in the world who is worried and troubled. Have you seen the way I have taken the pause and the break? This is the meaning of comma and full stop. Now let's go to the next part of our lesson, that is comma. Comma is, this is the symbol, as you can see here, this is the symbol of comma. Let me read out. I like Ravi, Rahul and Sonu. So I have used here comma. Now as we are Indians, we know that Ravi is a separate name, Rahul is a separate name and Sonu is a separate name. Rahul and Sonu is separated by and. But what about Ravi and Rahul? How will we know that these are separate names? But as you stay in India, we understand that, okay, Ravi, maximum people have Ravi as name or maximum people have Rahul as names. But think of somebody else, some foreigner comes or some NRI comes to our place and reads without a comma. I like Ravi, Rahul and Sonu. So if there is no comma, then it will be Ravi, Rahul. Okay, so you are separating both Ravi and Rahul with the help of comma. Similarly, I have seen Delhi, Mumbai and Kashmir. I like pizza, burger and cake. I know Hindi, English and Punjabi. India, China and Nepal are our neighbors. Like, subscribe and share. Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp and TikTok. I am cooking rajma, dal and paneer. So again, when you are writing the date and time, remember to use a comma. 2nd January, 2019. September, 2020. 1:30 p.m., Monday. 2nd May, Monday, 2020, 12:34 p.m. 3rd of July, evening. This is the separation of two things. If you are not using a comma, then the person who is reading will not understand that you have separated the months and years or dates or times with each other. Now let us read the sentences. Unfortunately, I did not come. Actually, I am sleeping. Of course, I can speak English. Okay, I will come today. Hey, what are you doing? Hello, are you Rahul? It's okay, I can manage. Bye, I will call you tomorrow. So when you are using a comma after okay, hey, hello, that means that you are taking a pause. Now speaking in a down pitch, when you are speaking, then for writing you can put a comma and write. But when you are speaking, how will you understand there is a comma here? That means I like Rahul, Sonu and Monu. I have seen Delhi, Mumbai and Kashmir. Okay, these were the examples and just a little bit of explanation about period and comma. So to say a full stop and comma. We'll be learning about more about it in the later sessions. Hope you have understood and enjoyed the session. Thank you and have a nice day.